tail of a tiger.
What did they do again?
Me to Gagwa Kanodo.
What did they do? He come here.
Oh, but they fought me. Those two guys fought me.
Why? Okay, well, don't you know how to handle this kind of thing? Handle this kind of thing.
How? I don't understand how.
You would have targeted one of them. You won't go there, will listen here, Nimi. Would you like any way? Danani, because I will also. Do that one will wrong. You can't fight two people at the same time.
Mama, you're correct.
What do I need to see?
Hi.
It's okay.
Mama, I don't have to say anything again.
It's okay. You have to
replan.
Good, you have to replan. Next time if I get back,
you're correct.
Just target one person.
You're correct. But how did you get to know this things?
I know, come on, go. I fought a lot when I was there. Okay, remember motor? Ha! They don't dare me. Ha! They don't dare me. Oh my God!
I'll replan. I'll replan.
I don't know everything over to you now.
Papa, I have said this before, and I'm going to say it again. I am still saying it. Papa, this is getting out of hand. It is getting out of hand, and we have to treat this matter urgently. I'm saying my own now. Ha!
Ifoma, how many times have I called you?
I know here. Nothing, you don't call me, Seth. I don't hear anything, Papa. I know here.
Now listen, my children. I want us to avoid my brother and the son. I don't want them to break your head.
Papa,
you are precious to me.
You don't... Papa! I don't even like what is going on now. Okay, is it because we are giving him respect? I said that.
Hey, children, wait. Listen to what your father is saying.
Mama? Mama, I say, oh, so we should allow them to take what is ours?
It's okay.
It will never happen in this village. Look at what they did to my sister. And they're not talking about Chinkete.
For what now?
About Chinkete at this village.
For what?
Hey!
Oh. Where are you going?
Mama, leave him alone. Leave him. Let him go and fight. You see this quietness you're doing, it will pay you.
It will not do any good.
Let him go and fight. Mama, don't shout at me. What will you gain? This you're shouting. Save it for family war.
Mama, do you want them to take what rightful belongs to us?
Let them go.
We need to talk.
Let them kill you.
We need to discuss.
No, Gawa.
Guys, that is when you
go and arrange. Mama, please.
Stop mama me.
I should not mama you.
When he dies, you know.
Nothing is happening to you, Mama.
Okay.
Nothing is happening to you. We will fight this fight till the end.
See, let me tell you, even though Uchenna bought this clothes for you, I still love Uchenna.
Hey. I love you. Hey, what? Uchenna, my love.
Love him. Bimo. Sweetheart him. What happened after walking? Oh, they quick one, me. Stupid kid, want to drag my man with you.
I suspect Amadi. Amadi. Nyakambage. Amadi must be hiding something. He's hiding something. That land belongs to Agozie. Amadi only wants to forcefully take the land from Agozie just because he's the senior.
Ibe, let us not assume to be sure of what we are saying until we find out.
You can assume, now finding out. Allah Gozie, it belongs to Gozie. Rabbi Amadi. Amadi. Hey, Rabbi Eva.
I am actually hurrying for something. Ibe, Igedujem.
Nedujege mbodumeje. No mbodugeje. Dujege. Bona dujege. Allah Gozie, it belongs to Gozie.
I think I'm in a hurry to finish with what I am doing. But we have to find out.
I'm going to tell that. Allah Gozie.
Buddha, come and open this door. Buddha, come and open this door. Come and open this door. Come and open this door. See, if I catch you and if I come out there, come and open this door.
How will you come out? How will you come out?
Buddha, open this door now.
Take the key now. Take it.
Open this door.
Take it.
See, if I get you, I will kick you out.
Oh, yeah.
Come and open this door.
You think that
Come
is
and
to
open
fight?
this door.
You think that is to... I want to cry. Cry.
Come and open this door.
Oh, yeah. Johnson, I'm going to... Oh, say it here.
See, if I come out there, if I step down there, you will know yourself. Come and open this door.
How will you come out? How will you come out?
Buddha, come and open this door. Come and open it. If I catch you, come now, Buddha. Come and open it. Buddha, come and open this door.
Okoro, come. Come, Okoro. Please, wait for me under that tree. Yes, now you are looking at me. Let me just finish up with him. Are you going to
Amadi?
Are you entering the shrine with me? This is not there, Fosa. Just stay. Wait till I'm coming. Kabazian. Ha! Ọkara mmadụ ọkara mmụọ. Ga n'ogwu. Anụ kpọrọ nkụ na-eju ọnụ. Eze mmụọ. I need a personal God, Chi, so that it can always guide, protect, and equally provide for me. That is what I need from you. And I know you can do it.
Gods of our land. A child that says his parents will not sleep. He also will never know sleep. Your son here needs help. Your son seeks a special God. And a special God will he get.
You see?
Speak to your servant. Speak to me. Speak in the language I will understand. Amangala. Take! Tie it behind your house. Kill a white cock and spill the blood on it. Speak whatever you want. Speak. Immediately it will happen just the way you want it.
Just like that?
Go! But always remember, there is always a price to pay.
The eye of the gods, no matter the price, I'm equal to the task. Amadi Aneze. Thank you very much. Okay. I am back.
Yeah, how did it go?
Oh, fine. Let's go.
It went well.
You're burning my clothes. Hey! Machi! How dare you burn my clothes? Machi, you're burning my clothes. What? Machi! Hey! You slap it! How dare you! Okay, today. Machi! What the hell? But allow me to stand up, Inachi. If I stand up from here, what will you do? You're using this over here. Machi, if I just stand up. Why are you leaving? Come on, shut up and lie down. Machi, you know me too well. Who are you? Machi, if I stand up. What will you do? Hey! Come on, shut up. What do you think you are? Huh? Hey, you want to try me? See what? You want to try me? You want to try me? You're holding me. Hey! You want to try me? Eh?
Amagala, I want you to kill the last girl and the first son of Agosia, my brother. Go! Let me see who will take care.
Are you playing? Are you just with me?
Dikeh, what is happening here? Okoli, Jesus. Hey! Hey!
Don't do this to me. Ebuka, you must wake up, Ebuka, you must wake up, Ebuka. Oh, God.
Mazi, come out. Mazi.
What is it?
Mazi, I saw your children lying lifeless on the roadside, Mazi.
What did you say?
What did I hear you say?
What did you say?
I saw your children lying lifeless on the roadside.
Children.
Your children. I would go for you. Hey, money, but no son.
I trust you, my brother, like no any other. According to our father, blood is thicker than water. Blood is thicker than water. Blood is thicker than water. Blood is thicker than water.
Papa, I am asking, what is going on? Can somebody talk to me? What is going on?
Your siblings, oh! Abradebuka! Dad!
Obi agbawagomu, obi etiwagomu, ife nwanne mere nwanne ya, ọ na-agbawa obi o. Obi agbawagomu, obi etiwagomu, ife nwanne mere nwanne ya, ọ na-agbawa obi o. Anile bueno, anile bueno. Anile bueno, anile bueno, anile bueno, anile bueno. Onye gburu nwanne ya n'ụwa ọ ga-azabazi odogwu. Onye gburu nwanne ya n'ụwa a ga-eji ya odogwu. Ọkwa maka akụ ụwa ka m ji gbara aka nwanne, gbara aka nne na nna, Chinazikwa nso. Ọkwa ka iwerịtasị ya ka ijiri chezọ na mụ na gị bụ gịnị ka mere gị? What have we done to deserve this wickedness from you? What have we done to deserve this wickedness from you? Anile bueno, anile bueno, anile bueno, anile bueno, anile bueno.
Go and call that young man we saw the other day.
Okay, my presence.
Where is my food that was in that kitchen? Do you know that you are daring me? Okay, continue. Continue. We shall see.
Paprika sauce.
Obi agbawago m, obi etiwago m, ife nwanne mere nwanne ya, ọ na-agbawa obi o.
They think I don't know they are responsible for this. I just want to mourn my brother and sister in peace. But I swear, when this whole thing is over, they will realize that they touched the tail of a tigress.
My daughter, please, I don't want you to put yourself in this matter, Biko. Oh, do you want me to lose another child? I want to come out of my bed.
Sometimes I wonder if I find out who's responsible for the death this village will not
Never, never, never.
Papa, you don't need to worry yourself.
Sometimes I wonder if Amadi is from the same womb with me. If I find out he's responsible in the death of my children, this village will not contain us.
You don't need to worry, Papa. Because the war has just started.
Obi agbawago m, obi etiwago m, ife nwanne mere nwanne ya, ọ na-agbawa obi o. Obi agbawago m.
Ifeoma, what happened? I came in as soon as I heard the news. How did it happen?
You have heard it. Really, I don't even know what to say. I mean, that's how I just lost my siblings. Just like that.
Just like that? Jesus. Jesus. This world is wicked. What a wicked world! Ah.
How was your trip?
It was good. Oh. Come on, please, hold on to this. Hold on. Contract will be taking me out of this village for 1 month. So, I'll see you when I'll see you.
Apex, you have been a darling. You have been a very kind soul to me. Thank you very much. My God will bless you.
Amen. You're a darling too. But one thing, tell your father to take it easy with those guys. God will fight for you guys.
Okay. While God is doing his own fights, we self will be doing our own. We need to... Anyway, I'll pass your message to him.
Thank you.
And thank you.
Alright. I have to go now.
Okay.
Alright, see you.
Alright, thank you. Okay. And be careful.
Amadi, you are evil. Amadi, you are evil. You killed my children, Amadi. Amadi, you killed my children. Amadi, you killed them. Be careful with me, Amadi.
Don't kill yourself. Wait. You kill her.
It's okay.
Somebody shut up here. Come on, will you shut up? Let's shut up. I said that between my Sit down. Come on, let's shut up.
It's okay.
Will you shut your mouth? Shut your mouth.
Keep quiet. Why you never walk in the middle? Just tell me back. I mean, what's it? It's okay. It's okay. Allow him to rant.
Ifoma, what happened? I came in as soon as I heard the news. How did it happen?
You have heard it. Really, I don't even know what to say. I mean, that's how I just lost my siblings. Just like that.
Just like that? Jesus. Jesus. This world is wicked. What a wicked world!
How was your trip?
It was good. Oh. Come on, please, hold on to this. Hold on. Contract will be taking me out of this village for 1 month. So, I'll see you when I'll see you.
Apex, you have been a darling. You have been a very kind soul to me. Thank you very much. My God will bless you.
Amen. You're a darling too. But one thing, tell your father to take it easy with those guys. God will fight for you guys.
Okay. While God is doing his own fights, we self will be doing our own. We need to... Anyway, I'll pass your message to him.
Thank you.
And thank you.
Alright. I have to go now.
Okay.
Alright, see you.
Alright, thank you.
Okay.
And be careful.
Amadi, you are evil. Amadi, you are evil. You killed my children, Amadi. Amadi, you killed my children. Amadi, you killed them. Be careful with Amadi.
Wait. You kill her.
It's okay. Amadi. Somebody shut up here. Come on, will you shut up? Let's shut up. I said that between my children. Amadi, sit down. Come on, let's shut up.
It's okay.
Will you shut your mouth? Shut your mouth.
Keep quiet. Why you never walk in the middle? Just tell me back. I mean, what's it? It's okay. It's okay. Allow him to rant. Okoli, it's okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for myself.
I called you both to help me ask my brother Amadi here why he killed my children. Ask him why he killed my children.
You killed your children.
Excuse me, Agozia. Did you see him kill your children?
Who else did? If not him that is fighting me, who else?
Agozia, mind your words. Mind your words, Agozia. Mind your words. How many times did I say it? 3 times. Mind your words.
Who else did it? Who else is fighting me in this village? Outside him. Who else?
Okay. Are you not supporting him? Are you supporting him? Hey! A man who can't find his manhood with 2 hands and a flashlight. You are supporting him. Hey! Come, if you don't know what else to say,
Ibe.
Sit down, keep quiet, or you...
Ibe, this is not children's variety show. I repeat, this is not children's variety show. If you don't have anything to say, you keep your mouth shut. Keep your mouth shut. Are you mad?
Okoro, sit down, my friend. Sit down.
Sit down. What do you mean?
Ibe, it's okay.
Stay here for this rubbish. I walk out of this place now.
Ibe, sit down. Sit down. Don't worry. Ibe, sit down.
Look at. Give on.
Don't worry. Sit down.
Have you seen it?
Ibe.
Have you seen it?
Ibe.
Don't mind. Just sit down.
You've not seen anything. Get in here.
If you have nothing important to say, I walk out of this place.
You can walk out.
What do you want me to say? Now listen. If you don't have anything meaningful to tell me here, why you call me out? Allow me to go because I have something very important doing at home.
Hey! Hey! Amadi! So, the death of my children is not important to you, Amadi?
May their soul rest in peace. I think I have something reasonable doing.
Can you see the height of it? Can you see the height of his wickedness? Amadi, you are evil. Amadi, you are evil. You are evil.
See, I don't think I have any reason to continue staying here. Look at my walking stick. Look at my walking stick. Ibe, I swear I will deal with you decisively. I'm out of this place. I can't be part of this rubbish.
I will
Can
you
you
see
see
the
I will
Can you see the conspiracy? Just look at it.
Come closer, let me deal with you. It's even okay.
I trust you, my brother, like no any other. According to our father, blood is thicker than water. Blood is thicker than water.
No amount of cry will bring them out. It's alright. It's okay.
Onye buru wane ya n'ụwa ọ ga-azabazi odogwu. Onye buru wane ya n'ụwa a ga-etu ya odogwu. Ọkwa maka akụwa ka m jikwara aka nwanne.
So I need to finish cooking this food.
Mama, it's food ready. Chai! Mama, I'm so happy.
Where are you coming from?
Mama, guess what?
Now, Wally, guess what? Do you know that Brother K is with the princess?
The princess as well.
Hey! This is good news.
So,
Hey! No, you brought good news. At least, you know, Gali. This is good news. Something you like. But get out from here. Come on, get out from here. Get out, go there. Go side. Go and stand that side, my friend. I don't want to see you. Enemy of progress. Can't you see? Good things are happening to us from one level to the other.
Yes, so.
Very soon.
Our level is changing, oh. Mama, who say good things cannot happen in our family?
Yes.
They will hear from us. The princess.
My dear, Anya Jelugo, we are there already.
Blood is thicker than water. Because you're my brother, Yakanji wewe roke mu wenyeginaka sekinga jiberemo. Because you're my brother, Yakanji wewe roke mu.
I'll soon be done.
Fast.
Mama, that serves them right. Now they will learn how to mind their business.
Exactly. Everywhere is quiet. They are now quiet. When we've not even started, they've not seen anything and they are quiet. Can't be though.
Mama, but how come they both died at once?
I don't know, my daughter. I don't know. You don't know anything about land matter. You're still a child. You see land matter. You don't walk into land matter when you know your hands are not clean.
Hey.
No. If your hands are not clean, don't dare. You see that land? If they are the rightful owners of that land, nothing will happen to them. But because they have question mark, that's why they're dying. But I don't know. I don't know.
It's
All I know is all I have is my family, and I will make sure that nothing happens to you people. I will protect you people with my life. Yes.
Nothing will happen to us, Mama.
And me, oh.
But I like the way the place is quiet now.
Before
Nobody is making noise.
Yes. Everyone to your tent, oh Israel.
Hey!
Please close your eyes. Only that put
This thing is hitting me.
I trust you, my brother, like no any other.
Bobby has been now, eh? Any person when just pass na treasure. We just collect. Make sure some deal keep. You know. Yes, you know. So that we fit lala, you know?
Yeah. You mean immediately now?
Hey!
Hey, you hear me? I'll get this. Leader. Come on your clothes. Come on your clothes. Just stay like 3 in 1. Hey! Come on. See how you. Oh, you even get the other. Give me that phone. Come on, give me that phone. Hey! Quiet! Oh yeah. Frog jump. Hey, this way, this frog jump. Clear road. Oh yeah. You go like that. You see that stay like cow. Oh yeah. They move. And you know how money oh. Hey, guy, this guy like Idi Amin.
Baptize poverty.
Come on for here.
Next time you hold money like others they hold.
Sit rough now.
I dey talk. I think. See Nyash. Stay like cow.
Be like bolo.
No, nothing come out where this one do.
Nothing. Makes sense.
That clothes, I go use and slow down.
Go laugh. Then the boss to the cup. Lap up. You see get.
What kind of village is this? Eh? Nobody is doing anything about the death of my brother and sister. I don't really understand this village at all. What is even going on?
Hey, obtain everything you want here.
I dey talk.
Come on,
leader. Go down.
Go. Waiting there this bad.
What you hold there?
Which kind of you can?
Come on, fight up.
Mortuary. Rasak that man finish.
Rasak and where?
Oh no, level na can't be.
Hey, Kanta. If you be Kanta, we tell you say for this street, Kanta no dey pass here. Na people wey hold treasure na dey pass here. So you don't be Kanta, I go baptize you.
Nothing come out. Baptize you.
Make poverty come up for your mouth. So baptize you, make poverty come up.
Come on, come on.
Oh yeah. Move. Sorry. Move. Collect this ones.
Oh, you even want me to? You read your paper. You need to wait. Oh yeah, come on. Alele. Now this village. Sorry.
Treasure here, now here we get our treasures. And this village, everything nice. Wow.
Tell me, what's your name?
My name is Oke Amadi, the only son of Ichie Amadi.
Wow. So what do you do?
I'm a graduated hunter.
Graduated hunter? What do you mean by graduated hunter?
Anyway, I'm a graduate. But there is no job anywhere, so I ventured into hunting.
Okay. Anyway, I like you.
Princess.
What? I just said... what? Stop. I just said my mind. I need someone I can talk to.
Princess Ibiakwa.
I want you to be my friend.
Princess.
What? I already said my mind.
Okay,
I need someone I will talk to.
Okay, if you insist, who am I to say no?
Yeah.
Anyway, it's my pleasure. It's a privilege talking with you.
You are welcome.
Oh, stop. Yeah.
What is that?
What
is that?
Stop it, Josh.
What?
I'm just joking. I'm just trying to make you happy.
Okay.
Princess.
Father.
Who was that young man I saw you with?
Oh, my friend.
Really?
Yes, Father.
I can see that you like him very much.
I like him, Father. I just want to know him more before I introduce him to you.
Sure. Take all the time you want. Get to know him as much as you want.
I love you, Dad.
Yes. And again, don't forget, any information you might need to help you make your decisions.
Okay, Father. Don't worry. I'll be fine.
Sure.
I will be in my room now.
Sure.
Nonsense. Now they will know that it is not good to touch a tiger by the tail, whether dead or alive. Nonsense. Arrant nonsense. By the time I'm done with them, Agosia and his family will know that Amadi exists. Useless people. Even Agosia may be so all residents. Nonsense. What type of nonsense is this? Rubbish. Can you imagine Agosia and Ibe putting their blame on me? So he's saying that I was the one that killed his children.
That's what could happen there. A good thing I want more than I will up. You don't mind about those people. If anywhere they want to go, let them go. We don't care.
Let them go anywhere. I don't give a damn. Let them go to hell, in fact.
Nonsense people. They are non-entities as far as I'm concerned. They can just tell him the killers to go and finish cooking.
As if you know that I'm seriously.
Of course, I know now.
Be fast. Do that quick. Useless people. Let them go to hell. By the time I'm done with them, most especially that stupid rat called Nana Konane, I will delete all of them in this planet Earth. Useless people.
Princess, there is nothing on this earth that will make me not to marry the princess. I must marry her. Must. Man, not here.
I trust you, my brother, like no any other. According to our father, blood is thicker than water.
Amadi!
Blood is thicker than water.
Amadi! Come. I am afraid.
What happened?
If this matter should be reported to the Igwe, Igwe may request for an oath taken.
Is that why you are panicking? Huh? Are you afraid? Let them call anything, use anything they want to use for that oath taken. Am I afraid? I'm innocent.
What did you say?
You heard me well.
It's okay. It's alright. Let me be going.
Okay.
Amadi, I'm going.
My regards to everybody. Now this matter will be reported to the Igwe. And you want me to be afraid or to start panicking? Anebu. Omu abuana. Anebu mebu. Adebu anebu. Kagazi. They want me to be afraid or start panicking. Nonsense.
Hi!
Brother,
Hey.
so you're happy like this. How did you do?
Hey! Good news. Ichenu.
Chayino.
What you going to take?
Ah,
It's happening. Good news.
really?
The princess likes me.
Wow. That means you'll be getting married soon, no? Can't
Very
wait.
soon. I'm already eating with the royal family.
Brother, at least you'll not be fighting for the land that is not yours.
Efrokodi. Joy killer. What do you know? Eh? Let me remind you, that land belongs to me. And no one is going to touch it. As you can see, the gods are fighting for us.
Brother, what I have to say is concentrate on this good news. Hope we ain't na wagyu. Africa, come by me here.
Yes. Eh? Move your way here. Do you know anything? Don't even know anything. You're just talking rubbish. By the time I will marry the princess, Igwe will just give me half of this village. If I don't give you, don't go chop now. Now one for you. Hey! One guy attack you.
Mama, you have to calm down. Eh? Please, what has happened has happened. We won't kill ourselves. Let's just leave everything in the hands of God. Oh, Biko. Please. I should stop crying. How do you expect me to stop crying? When I lost 2 children at Dikeh, 2! And you want me to stop crying? I won't stop crying, no, I won't.
Mama, it's okay. Mama, at least you have us. Eh? We'll get you back, Mama.
Okay, it's not okay.
Mama, please, you need to stop crying, Mama.
That was what I said.
Mama, Biko, Ozugo, it is enough. 2 children. Mama, it is enough. I am begging you. Please. I don't want you to have BP. At least let us deal with this one first. Oh, Biko, you know, something just keeps telling me to go back there and confront them. But no, I'm here with you like you've always advised. Let's leave everything in the hands of God, which I am doing. But you need to stop crying. Oh, Biko, please. Have you eaten? Okay. Obviously, I know you haven't. I'll go inside and prepare you something to eat, okay?
Father, I have found whom to marry.
Really?
Yes, Father.
Oh my God! Yes. Oh my God! This is what you're just announcing so simply like that?
Yes, Father.
Good. So tell me, who is the luckiest young man in the whole world?
You already know him.
That young man?
Yes, Father.
Is the one?
Yes.
Oh, this is great. It's good news. Both of you have agreed?
Yes,
He
Father.
proposed?
Yes, Father.
Oh my
Yes.
God. Tell him to invite his parents. Let's sit down at the dinner table and get to know each other, very well and all that. Oh my God. This is a wonderful news. It's a great news.
Ọzọ m agala nwoke ukwu. Ọnwụ na-egbu onye ụbọchị ndụ na-atọ ya ụtọ. Abịakwa nka nsị abịa. Ma ezigodo ebe a wee bido. Igwe. 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 From today, you will never listen to whatever my brother Agozie will tell you. Ogumagala wokuku. Ọnwụ na-egbu onye ụbọchị ndụ na-atọ ya ụtọ. Ya gazie. I said that you will never listen to whatever my brother Agozie will tell you, whether good or bad, whether right or wrong. Ya gazie.
Obi agbawago m, obi etiwago m, ife nwanne mere nwanne ya, ọ na-agbawa obi o. Obi agbawago m, obi etiwago m, ife nwanne mere.
I think I have to take my parents out of this village. No. We all need to leave this village. How am I sure they will agree to this? I'll have to tell them. I'll have to tell them tomorrow that we need to leave. Immediately. Ebuka. Amara. I'm sorry it's hard to end this way. I'm so sorry. Wherever you two are, please find peace. Please find peace.
Just hold on, you like it, eh? You like it.
Oh.
Bring it aside.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
My princess.
Thank you.
Beautiful girl.
Oh. So tell me about your girlfriend.
I don't have anybody to talk about except you. Yes. Nobody. So, why are you single?
I just want someone that will respect me.
And what makes you think I will respect you?
You will. You are so kind. What? What is that?
Wow, this is so nice. It's a pleasure.
You're welcome.
Yeah, it's a big compliment.
You're welcome.
Yeah. So, from here now. Sounds safe.
Mm-hmm.
So, what do you want to go?